feel like you guys are going to Hannah too?
Yeah.
Project this?
Oh, to build out all this stuff?
One of these, yeah.
Oh, well, there's millions went into this whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
It's
pretty quick.
Oh yeah, what?
How much does this thing weigh?
This piece here? I think it weighs about 3,000 pounds.
What is that all about?
Scott will appreciate that. Just a card sitting in an empty room. Who needs that?
To see it.
To see where they were for Katrina?
Yeah, and to see, like, I'm sure not many people have seen the French Quarter. Nobody in it.
That's kind of cool too. Good point.
You know?
It is. What's that set like way over there?
You need to open it up.
No, not allowed.
You always need a knife. Just tilt it over like that. Let it heat
Then
up.
you
That's the chemical.
Then you got
that's the
spaghetti and
water.
meatballs in 4 minutes?
Yeah. You feel it. It's already hot. Feel that. You can't even touch it.
We can't make this up, folks. That's what the university said.
It's not hot at all. Oh,
Right
it's
there.
getting hot down there, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is, he's got the chicken fajita, I think. No, what's he got?
Chicken fajita.
Chicken fajita.
There it is. There is. There's everything in here. Lindsay brought everything. MRE.
Not bad. It actually isn't.
Awesome?
Not awesome.
Does this mean New Orleans Gustav is good nighted?
This is good night, guys. Laptop is closed. Turning the TVs off. We are calling it a night.